in Python called if. So we can say if today equals birthday, print it is plus our friend's name, their birthday. And let's go ahead and remove our print statements. And I'm going to add some blank lines just to make this easier to read. Just like we add paragraphs to our writing to improve legibility. And it says it is Alex's birthday. And Alex's birthday is August 11th, like it is today. So let's talk about what I'm doing. Our if statement is like a while statement. It checks if something is true or not. The while statement